All right, guys, so this leaves us to the last chapter of our course where we're going to cover image to 3D and we're going to cover watermark removal. So please note, for the watermark removal, we don't advise you on any type of plagiarism or stealing images from Google, from websites. We advise you to buy the images professionally if you're willing to take them. But this part of the course is for the people that already have license, but they want to, remove watermarks. And this is an example. I've got this image and I've got a watermark. And here is another image where I removed the watermark. And basically, I need to hover over AIE's website. And from here, I need to AI tools. And let's see, is a watermark removal. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, great. So I need to hover down and go start for free here. And then I need to get my image, the one that has watermark, upload it here. It's processing. And voila, we've got the image with no watermarks, guys. At least this can take us 5 minutes on Photoshop, and at the best case scenario and the worst case scenario, it could take us an hour on Photoshop. If the watermark was hard and coming on objects that are complex, then I need to be giving up on the details of the image for us to be able to achieve this clean watermark removal. So again, we don't advise you to do this for items that are not purchased, but for items that you have, guys, license on, you can use this tool to easen up your life.